Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change SOS contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on safety and emergency. Then go down and tap on send SOS messages. In here, go down to the bottom and tap on send messages to. And in here, if you want to delete an existing contact, you can tap on the delete button, then select a contact that you want to remove, and then tap on the delete button at the bottom. Next, in here, you can create a new contact or select from contacts list. And then go down the list here and select a contact that you want to use, and then tap on done. Now tap on the back key, and that's it. So we have now changed the SOS messages contacts of whom to call to, or whom to send the text messages to. You can also change the auto call someone. In here you can choose which contacts to auto call when you send out SOS messages. Next is the emergency contacts. If you want, you can also change the emergency contacts. So in case you have an emergency, you can change your emergency contacts in here. Just tap on the edit button, then tap on the remove if you want to remove an existing contacts, or you want to add in a new member. You can tap on add new member, and from the list here, you can select a member to add, and then tap on done. And that's it. Don't forget to tap on the save button to save the changes. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.